Long-term disability insurance policies that are provided by your work are governed by the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, or ERISA for short. After your long-term disability claim has been denied, you only have 180 days to appeal. That's roughly 6 months before you have to have all of your documentation and every piece of evidence that you have into the insurance company to win your appeal. A lot of times what I want to see in an appeal is all of the medical records that you have, narrative reports from your doctors detailing your medical condition and how your symptoms limit you from working or performing the main duties of your occupation, and affidavits from family, friends, and coworkers or former coworkers talking about how you're unable to perform those duties of your occupation. We'll find oftentimes that insurance companies will send your medical records out to their own doctors, and their own doctors will look at your case and your medical records and they'll say that you're not disabled, that you can still perform the main duties of your occupation, but they don't say it in those terms. It's our job to make sure that you can combat those other expert opinions with your evidence, your doctors, so that you can win your appeal.
People face a lot of challenges when they're told they're disabled and they can't work anymore. Of course, one of the very first feelings that they feel is fear, because there's a very real sense of fear. How am I going to support my family? How am I going to pay my bills? How am I going to put food on the table and a roof over my family's heads? Another challenge that they face is just not knowing what to do or what next step to take. And of course that's hard because they're also dealing with the actual disability itself, but then they don't know what to do to take the next steps money-wise or to hire an attorney. An ERISA policy is a policy that governs long-term benefits. Many employers, especially large employers, offer this as a benefit, but people don't realize that they have it until they look into it after they've been disabled. If you receive a denial letter from your insurance company, we will review that and the benefit policies from your employer.
We don't want anyone to lose out on disability benefits just because they don't know the rules, or they don't have all the information or all the resources that the insurance company has. That's why we come alongside our clients and we help them gather that information. We help create that information so that we can give a full packet, a full appeal to the insurance company such that they change their minds, they can see who you are as a person, what you did as an employee, and why you can't do that anymore. And now, if you can prove that, if you can prove that you meet the definition of disability in your insurance policy, then you will be able to stay home, focus on your health, and still provide for your family.